Today I'm going to go over how to change a cabin air filter in this Nissan Rogue. This is a 2024 model, but this covers any of the Rogues in the third generation. So as we come down here, this guy, the cabin air filter is behind your glove box. So this opens up. We have to remove this down here. That's a yank there. And make sure it doesn't get out of the way or get in the way. So there's a hook on this side and a hook on this side. So flex this side first and then this side. You can also kind of flex this down and that helps, but you can see there's a hook here, there's a hook here. You have to push those in and then pull down. And sometimes this gives you a little bit more flexibility. Now, if you don't have a lot of stuff in here, this can hang. I just have the owner's manual. I wouldn't put anything, have anything heavier in here because this is just plastic down in here. So as we move down in here, this is where the cabin air filter is. And there is this switch over here. This gets pushed in like so. And you pull, there we go. So it's kind of, I had to push this in and I put my thumb on here and I pulled and I got it out. Now there is a hook on this end, so you have to come out and then slide it this way. Don't just pull it straight out. Pull it out this way. There's our filter. Airflow is down. So sometimes on filters, they mark it funny. They'll mark it put this side up or they'll mark it airflow down. This one I think is marked properly. It's airflow down. One way you can tell which way the airflow is the side that has dirt is the side that it's pulling from. So the air from outside goes into here, through the filter into the vehicle. So just check, like sometimes filters can be confusing the way that they are labeled. But here's your part number. I will also have description or a link in the description for this filter. All my links are affiliate links, so I do make a little bit extra that helps me with the channel. So then you have that. We take our, I'm just gonna shake this one off. This one's still pretty new. Also another great thing to do is just put the date that you changed it, so you know, so you know how far, how long you let it get out of date. You're like, I changed it 6 months ago and it was really 2 years ago. So that way, airflow is down. Then this side clips into here. And you have to tuck this past this little piece of plastic. And that clips on like that. Then as you put this up, you have to tuck these little guys in, especially this, and this is where flexing this can help. Flex that in, that pops into place. We have our little dampener down here. This clicks into place. And that is how you change a cabin air filter in a Nissan Rogue 3rd generation. This works from 2021 up to 2026. In 2026, the new generation comes out of Rogue. So if this is helpful, leave a thumbs up and we'll catch you next time.